again. Today I am going to talk about going through some notes. I have kept notes on the various classes throughout the years. So I had organized them, put them into 3-ring binders and little other notebook type things. It's fairly easy because I know that after all these years, I'm probably not going to need most of it. So it's a fairly fast process for me to be able to kind of flip through and see that there's not much here that I want. I came prepared so that I can recycle all of the things that I know that I don't really want. It can be sort of interesting to see what, this is a paper I wrote. Oh, okay, some interesting notes, some compliments. And so far I haven't found anything I want to keep, which is not surprising. And the truth is considering that these are from graduate school, most of the things that I wrote up, so essays that might interest me, are actually already on the computer because I haven't thrown anything away. Now this is something that is going to relate to the other YouTube video that I'm going to be doing shortly, which it's a poem that I want to look through at a later point. So I've pulled it out and I can move on. And similarly, or this could have been, but I look at it and it's an excerpt from Through the Looking Glass, so I don't need to keep that. And more just other things that I don't really need. Oh, so when I started going to graduate school, I actually got very good, and it was helpful for my studies to actually type up the notes that I took during class. So before the next class, I'd sit down and I'd type up the notes that I had taken. Made sure that I could read what I'd written and got to refresh my memory about everything that we'd studied. Again, especially since I typed them up, these are all on the computer. There's no real reason for me to save a hard copy of these, especially because it's not something that I've referenced. You can see how fast that went. So I've got some more to go through. When I'm done going through all the notes, I get to go through the reprographics, which I will do shortly, and talk more about what to do at that point. Happy organizing.